Salehe Bembury is kicking off 2026 with a strong statement, preparing a special New Balance 992 as one of his first projects of the year. After a packed 2025 filled with collaborations, the New York native continues to balance his growing SPUNGE brand while staying committed to successful partnerships with New Balance, Crocs, and Puma. In October, Bembury released a book titled Salehe Bembury I Make Shoes, which documents over 15 years of his footwear work. Inside the book, images of unreleased New Balance designs quickly caught attention. One standout pair, a green New Balance 992, has since appeared on release calendars, confirming its arrival. The shoe features a hairy suede upper paired with a nature-inspired sole, accented by blue and yellow tones that reference water and sunlight. Retailer images have now surfaced, and the pair is expected to launch at select overseas retailers on January 1, 2026, with the United States release likely to follow soon afterwards globally.